This will be a collection of projects and works I did during the years where the common denominator was the use of duality theory in order to be able to solve problems that otherwise it would be difficult. So my mission here is how important is duality and how it should be used and could be used in order to simplify problems which otherwise are intractable. Let's first agree on what is duality. I took a citation from Kuhn many years ago. He said, a duality theory is made of the following elements: a pair of optimization problem, one minimization, other one maximization, based on the same data. That not to be confused with other duality, which each one using different data. The property are the pair of, there is always a weak duality. The mean is always bigger or equal to the max of the dual. And necessary and sufficient condition for optimality of a feasible pair is the equality of the corresponding objective function. Here is my addition to that definition, which take care of what's going on recently. You need a computable tractable. Tractable means, in my language, be able to solve in polynomial time. So a computable relation between optimal solution of P and D and the relation between primal feasibility and dual boundedness and dual attainability. So these are the ingredients which makes a duality theory. Now, I present here at least 3 or even 4 types of duality. The duality is different based on how you present the original primal problem. So in the usual way that we are accustomed with, namely minimize f subject to gi less than or equal to 0, the scheme of duality is the Lagrangian duality. So here you have the Lagrangian function, and the dual objective function is infimum over the primal variable of the Lagrangian. You get a function g of y, and the dual is supremize the dual function subject to y being in the domain of g. And this might give you a bunch of constraints in itself. And y should be a non-negative vector. The classical duality theory for convex optimization of Lagrangian duality is that if everything is called the function are convex, closed and convex, and you have a Slater condition holding, then if sup equals max d. Max d means that the dual solution is attained, not just supremum. So that's the classical. Another type